Hello, everybody, and welcome to Sunkissed Reactions. My name is Courtney. Today, I am back with Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 2. I am watching Episode 2 in the sub. I just kind of want to try it out, see what kind of traction it's going to get on the channel. So, I'm going to go ahead and watch this in the sub. But yeah, last time we left off, we met Denji, the devil killer, I believe, and Pochito, which I didn't even realize that they said his name at least a couple of times in this episode. His little chainsaw dog friend, who is dead, I think, gone forever. I thought he was going to be maybe a character in the show. Apparently not. He gave his chainsaw life essence into Denji, and now Denji can turn himself into a walking, talking chainsaw massacre thing. Devil, I guess. And at the very end, he got picked up by, oh, I don't remember what they were called. They're basically like devil hunters, I guess, but they're like a agency or something. I don't believe we got a name for that girl. But anyway, I'm excited to get in this episode. Hope you guys are as well. Please keep in mind that if you want to see the full-length reaction to this, you can by going to patreon.com/sunkissedreactions. Link is down in the description below. There you can find full-length, early access, Patreon exclusives, movie reactions. All of that is listed down in the description below. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get in this episode. Okay. Oh, no. Yes, or a wolf. She did say, are you going to be my pet or something, right? Pochita. I'm sorry. Pochita. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, he wants he wants bread and jelly. Well, what is he doing? Nah. Oh yeah, he just wanted to be with a woman right before he died. Oh no. Yeah, he's in love. Oh my gosh. Oh no, what happened? Did he lose a lot of blood? Or is he just hungry? Or both? It cut him up? Yeah. Really? Okay. It doesn't have a name. Interesting. Well, I would hope so. He's got a freaking chain thing coming out of his chest. Well, you can smell Pochita. Oh, that's creepy. Like, does he have like a brain in there? Is he thinking? Is he seeing stuff? What's going on? That I would probably pass out there too. Not devils. Oh, jeez. Give him a bigger head, why don't you? Dude, that's me. That's all he cares about. If we get together, we can get together, right? All right, calm down. Down, boy. You're not even in her league. What is that picture of? That is interesting. He sent something. Oh no, he's gonna kick his ass. Okay. Better watch out though. He can turn into a chainsaw. Why? He doesn't maybe trust him? I mean, he didn't really have much of a choice. I mean, he was also hungry. I don't know that she would believe that, because he can turn into a chainsaw. Oh! Damn. It's nuts or nothing. Doesn't he only have like one? Did he sell one? He's been devil hunting for it since he was a kid, though. Oh! I'm surprised he hasn't taken out his sword yet. Dude, you gotta protect yourself, man. By the nut devil. He's the nut devil. It means she's gonna put you down. Right? Oh, okay. Backstory. We get a backstory? Come on. I don't need a flashback. I just saw that in this episode. Jelly. He wants all the jelly. Sure are making a big ass mess though, like damn. Oh my god. How much jelly does he have? Why are you using a spoon? Fiend? No, he went to the school of hard knocks. Oh. Oh, so like that zombie one, maybe? No, it's a bird. Oh, jeez. Oh. Does he have like pinchers? Or you can just chop his head off. Do they regenerate at all? Well, I mean, he didn't have to. Aww. Oh, jeez. It's missing Pochita. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. To touch her boobs. Oh, it's the chick with the devil horns. She's another one like him, huh? So I guess those were her characteristics. Gotta do well. Can't you just wear like a hat? What is she doing?
早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
Do they have to like feed?
公安大麻得意音歌でーす。
って言って手帳を見せれば嫌な顔して帰っていくよ。わしは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの。
Oh yeah?
わしの匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして、俺をやめさせる気なんだ。
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ。
Oh. Sea cucumber devil. Ooh, it had fingers everywhere. Oh. What? She's got like a blood hammer. All right. Rein it in, crazy. No. Okay. That was episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. So we met Aki, I think, because I can't pronounce his last name, and Power. Maki seems like the boss of this division, maybe, of the agency, the Public Safety Devil Hunter Agency, which she said there was like over 1,000 devil hunters. So that's a lot. But I'm assuming that this experimental division, this Section 4 or whatever they called it, is experimental. And I'm assuming that that's partly because of Power. Power is a fiend, which Aki said that fiends are, that they used to be human, but then they got like double powers, and then Denji was like, well, wouldn't I be considered a fiend? But he doesn't have the characteristics all the time of Pochita, only when, I mean, unless you consider the little cord a characteristic. I don't know. Whatever Denji is doesn't have a name, and it's extremely rare. So there are others out there, or have been in the past, that are like that. Now, so maybe the difference is like how they come to be. Like, according to Power, she was a devil first and then got human characteristics, or maybe that's just her being like an unreliable narrator. I'm really not sure. I'm assuming she would know what would happen in her own life, but I don't know. So maybe it was like a zombie thing, right? So maybe it's like you get bit, or like a vampire thing. You know, you get bit and then you turn into whatever. But Denji he was like dead, and then Pochita gave his heart to Denji, and then basically pieced him back together, and now he just coexists with Denji because he's apparently not dead, because the scent is still there. But I don't know, like, if I don't know if that necessarily means that there's like a little Pochita inside of his body. Like, if we went and did like an autopsy or something, like, I don't think Pochita's like in there. I mean, like, maybe it could be, I don't know. Or does it just mean because the life essence is still there, because it's Pochita's heart? Does that mean, well, he's not really, she, I don't know if it's a female or not, but it's not really dead. So it's still alive. So we also learned that Aki, his whole family was slaughtered. right in front of him by either a devil or devils. And so he didn't really say what his goal was, but Denji kind of thinks, well, maybe it's revenge. And maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe the devil that killed his family is still out there, and maybe he hasn't found it yet, and that's his goal, is to find the one that killed his family. Could his family or a person in his family still be alive and maybe walking around one of these fiends, and maybe he's looking for them. But Denji doesn't really have a goal other than he wants to touch boobs, and he has not been successful as of yet. But he has been placed under Aki's watch, and his new partner is Power. So, yeah, it was a good episode. I'm very interested in learning more about the devils. How did they start? When did they start? Have they always been a thing? Everybody can see them. They're very bizarre looking. Like, what's the difference between seemingly a sentient devil such as like Pochita, or the one that was the zombie in the last episode, versus the one we had in this episode and then the last episode, which was the sea cucumber, and which had like fingers like protruding out of it. It was disgusting, and it was very colorful, but it was gross. And then we had the tomato one that had all the eyeballs in the mouth on it. So are these humans that have been transformed? I'm really not sure. But even the police don't really like to work with the devil hunters. I don't know why, because it seems to me that they're very much needed. But I don't know. It was a good episode. I'm excited to get into the next one. Hope you guys are as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys on the next video.